Hi, everyone. Thanks for staying with me. So here I have project 5, where I analyzed restaurant ratings data using Power BI. In this data set, we have a total of 127 restaurants with a total number of 138 customers, 724 cuisines across 4 cities in 3 states, and average age of the customers is 26 years. Further insights into the data set showed that the age group that constitutes the highest number of customers are the youths, and they comprise about 72.5% of the proportion of customers. Also, by marital status, I was able to see that those who are single constitutes the highest proportion of customers with about 89.9%. Looking at cuisines and customers by cities, I observed that St. Louis Potosi showed to have the highest number of customers, and also in proportion to other locations. On average, most of the restaurants are medium budget restaurants, having about 127 restaurants in this category. Also, restaurants that allow no smoking are 92 restaurants, while those who allow smoking are just 24 restaurants. Looking at the highest number of restaurants by city, again, St. Louis Potosi recorded 83 restaurants in that location, comprising 64.34%. As always, I also use slicers in this data set, and the slicers I used is the age group slicer. So if I click on, for instance, adults, let's see what happens. If I click on adults, I can see that all the statistics changed in this interactive dashboard. So on average, the age in that category is 37 years. So adults operate mostly in 2 restaurant states, 2 restaurant cities. They enjoy about 14 cuisines. In that adult category, we only have about 4 customers, and they also operate 18 restaurants. So you can see that for the adult group, you can see their own statistics. Let me click on seniors. Seniors are those who are above 60 years. So you can see seniors enjoy, or they patronize 53 restaurants. About 10 customers are in that category. They also enjoy 17 cuisines, and they operate in 2 cities across 2 states. And the average age in that seniors category are those above 76 years old. So you can see again, anytime you change your slicer, you are going to have different statistics. So it is always important to introduce slicers whenever you are working with a Power BI. So here is my presentation for my 5th project, which is to analyze the restaurant data using Power BI. Again, I hope you got something from this presentation. Don't go away. I'm coming back again with project number 6. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.